Performance management, how are you? Week number 5. I apologize. It is Thursday. It is about 7:30 in the morning right now. Have not been able to get to this video. Busy week. Been doing a lot of stuff. Not to bore you with my week, but let's just say it's been a pretty hectic week, pretty busy. Everything's going well. We had elections Tuesday, of course. You guys know the results. This is not a political science class, so I'm not going to go through that. I am going to say it is 7:30 in the morning, and guess what I'm doing? Yes, that's right. I'm having a cup of coffee. Let me tell you what today's coffee brand is. So today, excuse me, sorry about that. So today I actually used the Keurig, which is that guy. That guy. Anyhow, I use a Keurig, and I have a little trick that I do. I enjoy this coffee, which is Starbucks normal Pike Place, which is the regular coffee they make. Nothing special, nothing like your fancy caramel macchiatos. Just a regular everyday coffee. But this is Costco's brand, and it is made with this coffee, but cheaper. So I buy Costco's brand of Starbucks coffee, essentially. It's called Kirkland's Pacific Bold. It's very good. It's a strong coffee. But essentially, yes. So that's kind of what I do for today. So cheers to everyone who's out there drinking a cup of coffee. So let's go over this week and last week and the week to comes. This week we're going to be talking about communication, the theory and the modern media, of course. There's another topic that I have in another class that talks about this too. It focuses on how we communicate in comparison to how we used to communicate. So think in your historical past, like in your history, how you used to communicate with loved ones, your parents, your grandparents. Maybe your grandparents used to send you birthday cards and a couple bucks in there, and now they don't do that, right? They don't send cards. Maybe you still get cards in the mail. I don't remember the last time I received a card in the mail. I did this summer received a wedding invitation through the mail. A friend of mine got married in Chicago, and he sent me his wedding invitation, and he was expecting me to RSVP via mailing back an invitation. I'm assuming that's going to come to an end soon. There's going to be some type of easy way to do that and register yourself for events and stuff and so on. About 4 or 5 years ago, I'm part of a grab bag with some friends, and we have a Elfster account which handles like grab bags, and you can put what you like and all this sorts of stuff. But we communicate through that. We tell people instead of us making a physical list, we could do that online. So the communication is happening all the time, and the motto of communication technically hasn't changed. The means change, the mediums change, how we communicate changes. And then chapter 11 deals with motivating employees. So for those of you who are moving into a management role or a supervisor role, this will be very important. It looks again at some of those concepts of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. It looks again at what motivates employees, and of course it talks about some of the characteristics about that. And one of the things that I wanted you to do, and I think somehow this ended up being put in some other way. One of my students mentioned that Mindy actually brought it to my attention that somehow this was included in, I think, week 2 or something like that. So I apologize for those of you who I guess did 2 discussions at once. That wasn't the intention. I don't know how that occurred, but either way, here we are. So if you did it already, then you're all set. But if you haven't, then we're going to be doing a Myers-Briggs indicator, and it describes your personality. So I want you to focus on it because it takes about probably 15 to 20 minutes. But then I want you to tell me about your personality and tell me what your results are. Is it what you expected? Is it similar to your character? All that good stuff. So the next thing I want to talk about is the next couple of weeks. So week number 6, of course, comes up in Monday, and then week number 7 is the following, not Thanksgiving week. So please be aware that Thanksgiving week, I have nothing due for you guys. You have no work assigned. So enjoy your week off. Spend it with your friends and family. Eat a lot of turkey or whatever it is that you eat. Tofu, vegetables. I don't know what you eat, but either way, eat a lot of food. And week 7, which will be our last week, will be starting on the 28th. So the week of Thanksgiving, we do not have technically classes, so we do not have online class. Nothing is due that week. And the week 7, which is our last week, will technically be on the 28th of November, so the first week of December. And that will be our last week. So you just have your assignments and you should be all set to go. Other than that, guys, I think that should wrap it up for me this week. Once again, today was cold in the morning. Yesterday night was getting colder, but earlier in the week it was super nice. Trying to enjoy these last couple of warm days. I am helping my wife with a little soccer league she developed in her school. So Wednesdays I go to City Park and help coach that. I got, of course, I've told you guys I teach at the Shaw Learning Group for them. I do some corporate trainings there, and then we got a bunch of corporate trainings coming up before the holidays kick in. So it'll be pretty busy couple weeks, but if you need me, I'm always available via email. Please just send me a message and I'll be more than happy to reply. Also, if you haven't replied to, or not replied, if you have not completed your surveys, please do so. Those are important. There's 2 that are out there. One for every class, of course, that you're used to. That's good to do. Please complete those surveys. But then there's another one that went out. It's like a Ruffalo Levitz survey. That's like the overall school. So it comes out about once a year. I encourage you to do that. That's important for us to know, and it shows, the progress of the school as a whole. Anyhow, I think that's it, guys. As always, have a cup of coffee and have a wonderful day, have a wonderful week, and we will talk to you guys all soon. Take care, everyone.